Adding a predefined traffic source. Select the Traffic Sources tab. Next, click on the New Traffic Source button. A list of predefined traffic sources will open. Choose a template from the list by clicking on the traffic source name and click on Load the template. You should see your traffic source template populated with the supported tracking parameters. Some traffic sources require you to edit the postback URL. If you want to track conversions in the traffic source panel, you usually need to copy additional data from your ad exchange and replace the word replace with the necessary data. Press Save to add your predefined traffic source. You will now return to Global Panel View and will see your newly added traffic source listed. If your preferred traffic source is not on the predefined list, watch the video on how to add one manually. Thank you for watching.